Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, what you can do here is you can just click on this search bar and then search for control panel. Just click on it. And it's going to open this kind of interface, right? So as you can see, I'm viewing this control panel by category. So just select view by category here, and then you will be able to see this option which says user accounts. And under this, you will be able to see change account type. So just click on change account type. So in my case, I only have one account whose username is code bind right now. So now in order to change your username, what you need to do, you just need to click on this user. And then, so I'm going to just click on change the account name option. And here I can give the new account name. So as you can see right now, I have the account name code bind. So here you just need to give the new account name. I'm going to just write CB here instead. Just click on change name. And you can see now my account name is CB. This I can verify by just clicking on the Windows icon. And you can see right now it's code bind, even though I have changed the account name to CB, right? So to change this here, you need to once sign out of your account and once again log into your account. And once you do that, you will be able to see that this account name will be changed.